Hey, it's Scott Young here. Social media is wildly popular nowadays, and one of the biggest social media platforms is actually Pinterest. And Pinterest is this really interesting social media platform that is very highly visual. And a lot of folks are using this to drive affiliate traffic and affiliate sales in their business. And today we're going to talk about how you can make $300 a day through affiliate marketing on Pinterest alone. So we're going to walk through those steps, but before I do, I just want to let you know about the number one product that I recommend right now for making money online. And I'm going to drop a link right below this video in the description, and you can check it out, no pressure. So let's jump into it now. Now, on Pinterest, you're going to want to start with an affiliate product that is super high quality and that solves a problem that your lead may have. So that's the number one step is, let's say you're in the weight loss industry and you're going to be posting pins on Pinterest about weight loss and some tips and hacks and things like that. Well, you need to find a product in the weight loss industry that's actually going to work for your customers. Read the reviews, read real testimonials from people, or try the product yourself and ensure that it's something that's really going to help people there. And in the end, it will benefit you as well. Now, the next thing to do is to create posts and pins that have real value in them. Things that are actually going to help the people in your niche. Some tips, some tutorials, some training, and things like that that are actually going to draw people in because you're giving them free value and information that they can use. And those posts and such are going to contain links either to your affiliate offer or to your capture page so that you can get their email. You don't want to hard sell people and just post your offer all the time. That's really annoying to people. But if you post valuable content and then you have your affiliate links or your capture page link in there, people are much more likely to just kind of casually click on those and check it out. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do on Pinterest is for each post or pin that you're going to put up there, you want to have 3 to 10 different pins for that one piece of content. So let's say again that you had a weight loss, 3 tips on how to lose weight. You're going to want to have 3 to up to 10 or more pins on that one post, on that one piece of content, so that it's showing up in Pinterest in a variety of different visual ways that are going to catch different people's opinions. So you don't want to just do one and leave it alone. You want to have multiple pins out there for that same piece of content. The next thing is you really need to be posting consistently on Pinterest. And this is the same for any platform. The algorithms of these social media platforms pick up on the fact that a content provider is being consistent and posting content regularly, because that's the lifeblood of these platforms. Is they need more and more content every day because people are on these platforms constantly searching for information. And so if you show the algorithms that you are a consistent provider of content, they are going to push you up in the rankings, and you're going to get in more people's feeds to be discovered. And so it may be discouraging at first. You're posting pin after pin after pin, and you're not really getting noticed, but after time you will get noticed by the algorithm. So just keep up the consistent work day after day. The next step is to use Pinterest Analytics. Now, Pinterest Analytics is their kind of back-end tool that's going to show you where your clicks are coming from on the platform. They're going to show you which topics you're getting the most clicks from. And that way, when you discover the topics and the pins that are getting the most clicks, you can actually focus on making more of that kind of content. It might be just that you personally are really good at, this one topic or this one type of post, and people are really clicking on that a lot. So you want to leverage that and make more and more posts and pins about that particular topic. And so use Pinterest Analytics to kind of focus in on what your sweet spot is and what people are liking of your content. Now, this eventually is going to snowball into a flood of traffic into your capture page or into your affiliate offers. When you're consistently posting valuable content that is done in the right way on Pinterest, you are eventually going to be snowballing that into more and more traffic as you kind of expand the number of pins out there that are pointing to you. And eventually this is going to lead to this flood of traffic that, if you have the right sales funnel set up, that you will convert that into sales and build a reliable $300 a day or more Pinterest affiliate marketing business. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that's clicking with you. And if you enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for more value-packed content. And again, I'm putting a link below this video if you want to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. Thanks.